Have you ever walked the halls of a $200 million school? Well, I have. Located only 8 miles west of Boston in the village of Newtonville, Newton North High School is one amazing sight to see. Dubbed by some in the community as the Taj Mahal, this 415,000 square foot building is the larger of Newton's two high schools, with 1,848 students. In a Boston Globe article dated August 31, 2010, written by Boston Globe staff writer Erica Noonan, Newton North was the largest and most expensive public school in Massachusetts history. The total cost of the building construction was $197.5 million. Newton North was not supposed to be that costly or take a decade to build. The building was supposed to be renovated with a price tag of $39 million, but the project quickly spiraled out of control. The need for an updated school was pressing, as the old Newton North was plagued with persistent leaks, heating and cooling problems, crumbling stairs, and asbestos issues. Initially, the city of Newton's taxpayers voted to renovate the old high school at a cost of about $39 million, but things took a turn for the worse. In 2003, former Mayor David Cohen informed Newton residents that renovating the decrepit school with students and staff present was no longer a viable option. The cost then quickly jumped up to $80 million. As one can imagine, the construction of Newton North High School became highly controversial, pitting neighbor against neighbor and taking much longer than expected. The Boston Globe reported that the reasons for the skyrocketing costs were buried demolition debris that made excavating the site difficult, design and management complications, hazardous materials, additional square footage for the cafeteria and kitchen, rising steel prices, and the cost of tearing down the old football stadium. Nevertheless, when you walk or drive onto the grounds of this school, it is hard not to be impressed. The existing state-of-the-art institution houses 119 instructional spaces, 2 theaters, 2 gymnasiums, vocational facilities such as fully equipped carpentry shop, culinary art facilities, an auto body shop, and let's not forget the Olympic-sized indoor swimming pool. Architect Graham Gunn designed the school to have ample natural light with over 850 windows. According to Vanderwill engineers, Newton North was, quote, designed for LEED for school certification and includes highly efficient mechanical equipment, a rainwater harvesting system, water-efficient landscaping, and daylight dimming lighting controls. Naturally, there are also athletic fields, one of which is aesthetically placed in the front lawn of the school. So if you ever find yourself in the city of Newton and happen to be driving on Walnut Street, slow down to gawk at this amazing high school. It is truly one for the history books.